Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how to find your Oculus pin. First of all, open up your browser and write oculus.com or Oculus and open Oculus Quest Store, VR game applications and more. It will start showing an interface like this. Open menu and press login or sign up. Now click on set up your account with email address. To log in, write your email address, then write your first and last name and press next and then add your date of birth. Create a password, press done and it will show you an interface like this. Now just press on create account. Now open your Oculus app. After that, tap on the menu icon in the bottom of the screen. Now go ahead to the settings. Now click on the account settings. After that, you will see the option of reset Oculus pin in the security section. Click it and after that, you will have two options: previous pin and your new pin. Enter your previous pin and your new pin and then press submit. It is a very easy and a very simple process. Just follow the steps what I have told you and then you can easily reset your pin. Thank you for watching the video. Consider like, share and subscribe the channel and also comment below.